If you want to enter and exit recovery mode on your Samsung Galaxy A26, so first of all, let's grab our cable, USB-C cable or any cable which is compatible with your phone, and make sure to insert one part of it right to your phone and the second part to your laptop or computer on any system. Now, let's locate our power button, volume down button, and volume up buttons. Those are the buttons which we are going to need. So now, hold your power button and volume down button simultaneously and hold them until your screen will go dark. Great, now keep on holding your power button, however, change your volume down button to volume up buttons and let's keep on holding those combination. Great, now we are in recovery mode, so you can navigate through it using your volume down and volume up button, and to make a choice you have to press power button. So for now, let's press reboot system now. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.